If Tinkercad is not working on Chrome, blank, frozen, or not loading properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get back to designing again. This is especially helpful if Tinkercad opens but nothing appears, your project keeps freezing, or the editor just won't respond. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials like this. Alright, let's fix it. The first thing to do is enable hardware acceleration in Chrome. Tinkercad relies on your graphics card, also called your GPU, to render 3D shapes and circuit components using WebGL. If hardware acceleration is turned off, Chrome may struggle to display the Tinkercad workspace correctly. To check this, open Chrome settings, then go to System on the left side. Find the option that says Use hardware acceleration when available and switch it to On. Once you do that, click Relaunch when Chrome prompts you. This restart is important because the change won't fully apply until Chrome opens again. After Chrome restarts, go back to Tinkercad and see if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, the next step is to clear Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, stored site data can become corrupted, and that can stop Tinkercad from communicating properly with Autodesk's servers. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. In the time range, choose last 24 hours. Then, make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Now click Clear Data. Once that's finished, refresh the Tinkercad page and sign in again if needed. This often solves loading problems caused by bad login tokens or stale browser data. If Tinkercad still isn't working in normal mode, the next thing to try is Incognito mode. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a private window in Chrome. Then log into Tinkercad there. If Tinkercad works in Incognito but not in your regular window, that usually means one of your browser extensions is interfering with the site. Common examples include ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, dark mode add-ons, or script blockers. To find the problem extension, go to chrome://extensions/ and disable them one by one. After each one, reload Tinkercad and check whether it starts working again. Once you find the culprit, you can remove it or leave it disabled when using Tinkercad. Next, let's check your graphics support and browser version. Tinkercad needs WebGL to run properly, so if WebGL is broken, the editor may stay blank or freeze. To test this, go to get.webgl.org. If you do not see a spinning cube on that page, Chrome is having trouble using WebGL, and that can directly affect Tinkercad. In that case, you should update Chrome right away. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install the latest version if one is available. After that, restart the browser again. You should also make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. On Windows, run Windows Update and install any pending system updates. These updates often include compatibility fixes for GPU drivers, which can make a big difference for browser-based 3D tools like Tinkercad. If your graphics driver is outdated, Chrome may not render the workspace correctly, even if everything else looks fine. Another fix that can help is turning off your VPN. Some VPNs can trigger IP mismatch issues or security filters on Autodesk's side, which may stop Tinkercad from loading correctly. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it, and then reload the site. If that works, you found the issue. If you're still having trouble, you can also flush your DNS cache. This helps clear old network records that may be causing connection problems. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator, then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. After that, close the window and try Tinkercad again. This is a simple step, but it can help when the site seems stuck or refuses to connect properly. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are turn on hardware acceleration, clear cache and cookies, test in Incognito mode, check WebGL, update Chrome and graphics drivers, disable VPNs, and flush DNS if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will get Tinkercad working on Chrome again. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.